Hello class, this is my flipped classroom video number 2 by myself, Ryan Cowdery. Alright, so what we're going to talk about is geography. Basically in the 5th and 6th grade, it's going to be a little detailed, but not too detailed where students aren't able to learn the detailed product of what they're trying to be taught. So the definition of geography, the study of physical features of the Earth and its atmosphere, and of human activity as it affects and is affected by these, including the distribution of populations and resources, land use, and industries. So what that means is all those trees you see in this picture right here, those can be used as resources to be cut down and turned into these wooden planks for, the buoys, or the boat to be turned into a boat or a house over there. It could be used as firewood. Those are considered resources and part of the land that could be cut down and used. It turns into industries. So in geography, all these things build upon each other. So the land gives us certain things we can use, like metal, iron. Water gives us things that we can grow, like trees, even sustain ourselves. So then we're going to go into a little bit more detail. Geography of America is what we're specifically looking at. America consists of geographic features such as mountains, rivers, lakes, trees, and etc. So it also is considered the third largest country and has one of the biggest populations on the planet. It's so big, containing almost more than 3 billion people. America, North America, which we're specifically looking at, is surrounded by two main bodies of water, or main bodies of sea, the Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. All right, so here's the ocean. So up here you can see the North Pacific Ocean, the South Pacific Ocean. Here's North America, South America, Canada, North Atlantic Ocean, and South Atlantic Ocean. Those are the main bodies of sea that surround North America. All right, the definition of ocean is a very large expanse of sea. In particular, each of these main areas into which the sea is divided geographically. See these little squares around North America? Those are the geographic features that help us specify where the coordinates of North Pacific Ocean is, and South, and North Atlantic and South Atlantic. So this kind of gives us coordination of where specifically everything is. And so maps really help us with that. Mountains, a large natural elevation of the Earth's surface rising abruptly from surrounding level, a large steep hill. So back here in the background are some examples of mountains behind trees and things like that, closer to the clouds. Some mountain ranges are the Brooke Range, Alaska Range, Coastal Range, Cascades, Sierra Nevada, Sierra Madres, Rocky Mountains, Great Plains, Coastal Plains, Appalachian Mountains, and Canadian Shield. And so those are some great mountains that consist of South America, North America, and Canada. So South America is kind of Mexico. Not really, it's more like North America. As soon as we pass this equator, which is right here, the equator line, then it becomes South America. So going back to that, we can see the mountain ranges. Now we're going to go into the Great Lakes, which kind of goes around Canada, which is up here, and then North America. Great Lakes consist of Lake Superior, Lake Michigan, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. Those 5 Great Lakes are so unique that, they cross both over to 2 countries, so Canada and America. So here's Canada's up here, and then America's down here. So there's the Great Lakes, and they exist above, so sometimes they freeze over and they turn into like little areas of ice. So it's really kind of cool. Some large bodies of water is this. This is considered a lake, so something that you should look into. You can, exists around or inside large continents or large areas of land. Rivers run throughout the United States. So here are some examples of major rivers of the United States. The river right there, Colorado River, Mississippi, Missouri River. Those are some incredibly important rivers. The definition of a river is a large natural stream of water flowing into a channel to the sea, a lake, or another such stream. So you can see over here that the Colorado River runs into the Green River, and they both connect and they come down and they go into the ocean. Very unique. These so lakes are usually, fresh water, and so are rivers. So those are usually fresh water. So, yep. Now we're going to go into population. Population is all the inhabitants of a particular town, area, or country. So right here it says little people. So the dominant people are over here. The more concentration of people are these red spots. And as it gets darker, that's where more people are. Lighter, less people. So it kind of shows you less people, more people, very few people. It's really unique on all the amount of people that are considered inside a country. So these are a few little definitions and little features of a lesson of geography for grade 5 through 6.